The INKAS Armored Toyota Hilux offers an exceptional combination of BR6 level protection and off-road performance. With full perimeter ballistic steel, this vehicle can withstand up to 2 hand grenade blasts, providing not just defense, but peace of mind. All windows have been replaced with multi-layered ballistic glass, capable of protecting against 7.62 by 51 mm NATO rounds. The meticulously designed overlaps ensure ballistic continuity, minimizing the risk of ricochets or exposure to precision strikes. These overlaps absorb or deflect the energy of incoming projectiles, enhancing overall safety. Despite the extensive armoring, the interior remains true to its original design. No intrusive elements compromise the vehicle's comfort or aesthetic appeal. In addition, we've upgraded the suspension system, allowing this powerhouse to retain its legendary off-road capabilities. The run-flat system allows you to continue operating the vehicle for up to 60 kilometers in the event of a punctured tire at speeds of 60 kilometers per hour, which can be crucial in emergency situations. Finally, we've integrated strobe lights and a PA system to help you navigate through uncertain environments. With INKAS Armored, the Toyota Hilux is more than just a vehicle, it's a fortress on wheels.